Today we're on site at this amazing property. Our friend Linus Catnanny has let us come on site to show you this one. You're going to be thrilled that you're here. It's going to be an amazing tour. Let's get started. And then check out this back. You've got your dadu, you've got your garage, and it pulls through onto both sides into the alley if you want to pull in this way, or you want to open it up, you can go out into a private alley as well. Lots of green space. You've also got all this screen porch and this studio space and even a space to finish out into a dadu. What more could you want? What a great opportunity and such thoughtful design. Okay guys, what did you think of our tour today? This amazing property with our friend Linus Catnanny. I hope you enjoyed the tour. And listen, if your next move is on the horizon, please let us know. We would love to connect with you. We have a link attached right here where you can actually connect with us so we can talk personally about your goals and your timeline to help you with your next move here to Middle Tennessee. Thanks so much for joining us. And if you found great value today, please do subscribe. But until we connect again, my name is Alex and I'm your friend in real estate in Nashville. We'll see you back here on the channel with another great tour real soon.